Hi, Sri. My name is Alex.
Hello, Alex. I'm brilliant. Nice to meet you.
I'm working as an office assistant at Green Tech Solution.
Great. I'm an IT expert. How can I help you today?
Well, I am certainly choosing a storage and backup solution for our company.
I see. Can you tell me about the size of your company?
We are small business with around 30 employees.
Got it. How much data do you want to back up?
Around 100 gigabytes of Spanish document file and spreadsheet.
Well, who would arrive with 15 gigabytes for free and generous 1.99 do mouse for 100 gigabyte. An external hard drive with 120 gigabytes usually costs about $30.
Thank you so much. That's really clean thing up.
You are welcome, Alex.